I'm from mortalkombatplayable. I'm Duvish, and I'm here to demonstrate the liftmaster 850 LM garage door opener from liftmaster's myQ technology, and I'll show you all the features for it. I'll demonstrate with the liftmaster's garage door. I'll demonstrate so you can see. Now, as you can see, the liftmaster 850 LM Elite Garage Door Monitor has really good emergency stopping features. The liftmaster thing that includes a smooth steel reinforced belt that smoothly glides to the drive sprocket. Here you go. Now, open the garage. Let's open it. I'll show you the steel reinforced belt up there. Now, as you can see, you saw the reinforced belt moving. Now I'll show you the emergency stopping feature. It's a battery backup. See, look. See, like your household. Look at this. As you saw, the new liftmaster technology includes the emergency stop feature. Yeah, I'll show you. I'll show you 2 more times with the emergency safe stop. There you go. So yeah, it's safe stopping feature. You'll be safe in your house, around family, or room. Here, I'll show you more. Okay. That means that you've done the emergency stopping feature 3 times. So, yeah. Well, as you saw, hold on, let me show you the monitor around here. Okay. This is the 893 LM garage door opener. So, let me show you the monitor opener, the wall opener. Okay. You saw enough tonight. You saw enough today, so enjoy.